I'll defuse it. Wait, I'll defuse the tension. Ah!
我上交了。
有吧？
Oh look, there's a panda right there next to you, Martin. Right there, right there, right there. Look. Black and white.
Oh.
With shoes.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Was the song Black and Yellow?
You know what it is.
Was that made by an Asian and a black guy? What? What's coming back? It's coming back. Ah, get him! Oh. Oh. Come here. They see me. Yeah, look at everyone who's following it. That's a pretty big enclosure. They're for breeding. Yeah. Imagine he shits. Oh! Oh!
What if it hits you in the face, bro? That's the end of your day.
I'm going home.
The back end of that too.
He's going off
I want to
to
see a gorilla, bro. That'd be cool.
I want to see gorillas fighting.
Oh.
That'd be
Did
good.
you see the video?
Yeah, yeah, and it's like, call a zookeeper.
Yeah.
It's like, what's he gonna do?
That was in the caption,
Yeah,
bro.
fight
What's the
them.
superhero gonna do? Jump in and box them? Oh my god.
That's true. What is he gonna do? He'll like throw bananas at him or some shit.
If someone throws it, tranquilizes them, then they'll probably talk shit for that too. Like,
Yeah.
oh, why are you interrupting
Like
the natural life, wildlife, not wildlife.
natural instincts or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But people talk for everything nowadays.
Yeah.
Makes me sick.
Makes me sick to my stomach thinking about it. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's a pocket watch, bro. Hey, look at this. Look at the terracottas, bro.
Why is it like some
Oh.
Vietnamese shit? Does it come with a chain?
Open it up again, man. Oh, very nice. How much is that? The cocoa one.
25.
What is it?
How do you open? Oh, right.
Oh, look, it's a lighter. It's a lighter.
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's
Oh.
a flint lighter.
That's mad. How do you work with that?
No, no.
10 yuan. Ah! Look at that. Oh, Ryujum, your people. What is that? Is that grape? Pomegranate. Yeah, grape. I'm not a fan of pomegranate.
You never had it?
I've probably had it in the
But you know how
past.
nice that is? I don't know.
Go buy it then. Go buy it then. Mayo. I don't know, but just say no.
What did you
When
say?
in doubt, I said mayo. It means no, I think.
No, I think.
Why? Oh look, why is it stuttering on my camera? Look, do you see it? It's flashing. Is that the lighting?
Yeah.
The lights aren't flashing that. Look, my camera. Oh. Oh. That's a little red. Hold up, sorry. Whoops. Get out of my way, bitch. I apologize. Oh. Oh, look at this place. That's mad. Australian. Oh. These people are trying to help us out. Oh, bro, let's just get out of here, man.
No, go.
Oh, do you want to come back here at the end? We'll go eat and then come back.
Bro, you know how much money I've spent, man? I've spent so much money. I don't really. I thought I want to play it, but I don't want to pay for it. Oh, you bought dumplings.
Where's he
See you
going,
make
bro?
it, bro. How much?
Come back.
For how long? An hour?
Well, it's 150 for all of them. Well, I mean some dumplings.
Yeah, I made some dumplings.
What flavor?
Oh, how much? Ask him how much it is. Oh, yeah, ask him. Oh, you mean ask him what kind of dumplings it is? What kind of dumpling?
Suwai?
Sure, 15.
Oh, suwai.
I already paid. I'm paying this mine, bro.
Oh, they good. We're going there too. Very good. Very good.
10块10个
10, 10.
啊，
10, 10.
，Is that a, what's she making?
But look what she's wearing, bro.
Well,
What's she making?
What is she wearing?
Oh, she's making a meat bun. Oh, it looks chilly, bro. She's making that.
That looks alright.
I'm taking a class on that. Oh, the chefs are fighting. The chefs are fighting.
Where?
Oh, is she making a? You look.
Where?
Look at this lady on my right. I'm in the camera.
You playing Pokemon Go?
Am I in it? Hey, hello.
She's Twitch. Is that Twitch?
I think so. I see. Oh, she's singing on the street.
The white boy.
Huh?
The white boy.
Bailo.
Do you see the chat? Oh, Guaylo, Guaylo.
Bailo. Bailo behind you. Bailo. Yeah. Oh, that's street food. Mate, thank God we're close to our apartment because I'm running home for shit after this.
You want to walk together, bro?
Yeah, work together. How am I gonna find my way back?
Snatch that out of your hand.
Yes, I've got a thing on it.
I want to stand behind this lady.
Yeah, same here. Oh, that's fucked up, bro.
No, that's
Why not?
He's making money.
But trust me, Twitch people, if you're a girl on Twitch, all these horny ass nerds will just give you money.
Guaylo. How many viewers do you reckon she gets?
I don't know. Oh, imagine we found her at Twitch.
Yeah.
Like, is this you? Is this you? Is it good? What's in it?
Oh, no.
What do you mean?
How much?
What does it taste like?
15.
What does it taste like?
I can't tell, bro. It's over there, bro. Yeah, I want to keep on looking.
I'm a picky eater. Because I have high standards. Oh look, you can get some tea. I had the same idea as me. Nah, bruh. Don't want to risk it. Oh, what's over there? Oh, look, a giant panda. Look at that. Oh. 没有。
拍照50，棉花糖20。
啊 ？What？
拍照50，棉花糖20一个，买一个送一个。
OK， 谢谢。
你拍了几张？
没有中国。澳大利亚人。
说谎话都不带脸。
Ice? Or is that? Oh, that's water coming up with smoke.
What is that? Ice cream. Ooh. I think that's the one we eat all the food.
Yeah, I want one of that.
I don't want it.
How much? I'm getting one. How much? 15?
50 or 15? 15, 1.5.
Do we have to tell her?
Oh, yeah.
Let you go.
你也要一个。
You go.
Eager.
Let me see how you make it. Can I?
Is that dry ice?
Yeah. I think I feel it, man.
你要
I think she said you your hand up.
No, she didn't. Oh. Mango Kingdom. They must love mangoes. Or chips. They have chips here.
Potato. No, it's not. Potato. Right in.
Is that the meat skewer?
Yeah, what do you have?
What's it? $1? I mean, should we get one? I sort of. Let's just stop. Oh, she's 5 feet. Oh, okay.
What are these? Wontons?
What's in it? What is it?
Dumplings, beef dumplings, or
Beef
lamb
dum-
dumplings.
Beef dumplings.
Beef dumplings.
Yeah.
How much? 多少?
How many? 15, money 20. Beef, lamb, how many? 50, money 25. And
15, 20.
beef bigger, how many? 23, money 28. Okay?
Wait, 50? How much?
That's not donuts.
That's like
That's like bread.
looks like mooncakes. Why is it screaming like
I think it's all the lights. You know how it flickers like that? You know what I'm saying, man? Yeah. 多少? 10块. 10块. Hold on, I might get this. Yeah, it's $10, bro.
几个？
I'm hungry. 一个.
一个。
10. Hello, how's it going? Is that Jew? Jew? Pig? Pig? 15. Oh, do you want pig? Pig?